For what purpose does the gentlewoman from Georgia seek recognition?
Mr. Speaker, I ask unanimous consent to address the House floor for 1 minute.
Without objection, the gentlewoman from Georgia is recognized for 1 minute.
I thank my colleague and the good gentleman here for explaining why $1.9 trillion in spending is reckless, irresponsible, and the wrong thing to do. We still have $1 trillion set aside for COVID relief and spending. There is no need to enslave the American people, our children, our grandchildren, our great-grandchildren, and generations going forward in more debt. We are at $28 trillion in debt. This Congress is ramming through unbelievable things at a rapid pace. This must be stopped. We have to give pause and consideration to what we're doing. This is a waste of money and a complete waste of time. Reopening America is a much better way to go. Mr. Speaker, I ask for a motion to adjourn.
The question is on the motion. Those in favor say aye. Those in favor say no. The noes have it.
Mr. Speaker, I ask for a roll call vote.
Pursuant to Section 3S of House Resolution, the yeas and nays are ordered. Members will record third votes by electronic device. Members, this is a